I'm Mike and I build web applications. Join me as I learn about artificial intelligence and how we can all use it. Large language models, or LLMs, are AI programs that can make sense of human questions and send back responses. In my last video, we built a chatbot that uses the OpenAI LLM to answer questions from the cloud. There's a tool called Ollama. It lets you set up an LLM on your computer for free. Let's see how to get it working. Go to ollama.com and download Ollama for your operating system. Install the software and then open up a terminal and type Ollama run and the LLM you want to run. You can find a list of the supported LLMs on the Ollama website. I'm choosing Llama 3.2 because it's relatively small, 2 gigabytes. It's an LLM made by Meta. Let's ask it a question. What's the better 1970s movie? Dog Day Afternoon or The Conversation? The LLM parses my question and answers it based on its 2 gigabytes of training data. It seems to like both movies for different reasons. Now let's exit the command line. The LLM will keep running in the background. So I went to the AI-powered app builder called Bolt and told it I wanted a chatbot that knows how to use Ollama running Llama 3.2. I downloaded the app from Bolt and I can start it on my computer. Now I have a chatbot app and an LLM both running on my computer. Now let's try the chatbot. What's the best Godfather movie? Again, the LLM is parsing my question and coming up with an answer. It seems to like the first movie, The Godfather, just like most critics. So that's how you can use Ollama to set up a large language model on your own computer for free. You can go to my GitHub and download the chatbot if you want to try it yourself with Ollama. Let me know if it works.